Hi everyone, welcome to Dreamport. I'm Amy, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss one of our fun videos of unboxing and coloring. Today I have my friend here, Charles Finley. Charles Finley, he's a sloth. He's gonna help me review. Let's turn it on. He's going to help me review our new super fun keyboard that our friends at TWFRIC Company have sent us to test out and fool around with. I am so excited because this is super cool. One thing to note, as I'm sure you can hear, that when you turn it on, it's super high volume. So I'm just going to hit the volume button and then turn it down a little bit. Let's turn it down to 7. All right. So Charles Finley is going to help out. Let's go over some of the cool features. This is really a great, this was $28.99 on Amazon, and the link is in the description box below where you can purchase one for yourself. They come in black, blue, and pink. And I got black. Let's go over some of the really cool features. So one, there's a metronome, and that sets the tempo for you when you're learning how to play an instrument, especially with keyboard. And it has 2 settings or 3 settings. And let's turn it off. All right, the other thing it can do, there's demos here. There's a tempo, there's transpose, there's demos, here's where you do it, there's special effects, there's a rhythm, you can record and play, and here are all the tones and rhythms that you can plug in. Over 100. Woo! Woo! The other thing that Charles Finley likes that we pointed out is here on the little lighted display is that when you press a key, sharps included, which are the black keys, it lights up to tell you what key you're playing. So that's really super cool. All right, Charles Finley. What else let's change an effect. Let's change the effect again. Oh, hear it? It's like a scary movie. All right, and you can cycle through those by keep pressing the effect. And you're back to a keyboard tone, a piano tone. What other things would you like to do, Charles Finley? And here he'll say hi again. Hi. He's a happy sloth. All right, so let's try it one more time. Let's go through and just give you a little sampling. Let's try it hitting the effect button. Let's do it a few more times and do a different effect. And let's try some rhythms and tones. Yeah, I'm going to help him out with that one. So overall, Charles Finley and I, let's get his face again, think this is a fantastic deal for the price. It's super fun, it is educational, and it will get any kid involved to play the piano. I played the piano growing up. You would never know it. But this is a great, fun instrument, not just toy, to gain an interest for a kid to play. So thank you, friends at TWFRIC and Company. We certainly love our keyboard and truly recommend it. Thanks for watching.